Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock a Notion page with a password. If you've ever wanted to keep sensitive information private, or just add an extra layer of security to your notes and projects in Notion, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to protect your pages from prying eyes. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step so you feel confident doing it yourself. So let's dive in. First off, we'll start inside your Notion workspace on the page that you'd like to lock. Up in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see three little dots. That's the More Options menu. Click on it. This menu is where you find a bunch of useful tools for managing your page, and Lock Page is one of them. Go ahead and select Lock Page. What this does is prevent accidental edits to your page. Think of it like snapping a cover shut on a notebook so you don't scribble something by mistake. It's not the same as password protection yet, but it's an important first step for basic safety. Now, if you ever want to unlock your page, let's say you want to make changes or add more info, Notion makes it easy. Just look for the word locked that now appears right at the top of your page, usually in a small banner or notice. If you click that, the page will immediately unlock and you can edit again. It's that simple. Sometimes people worry they've permanently locked themselves out, but as you can see, toggling this on and off is designed to be user-friendly. If you accidentally lock a page while working, just remember this quick unlock tip. Okay, let's move on to adding a password for that extra layer of protection. For this, you'll need to access Notion's account settings. Look down in the left sidebar, or click your profile icon and find Settings. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts section. This area is like your control center for security preferences and other main settings. Now, in Accounts, you'll see an option to Add Password. Click on it. Here's where you can set a permanent password for your Notion account. Take a moment to think of a strong, memorable password, something you'll remember but others won't guess easily. For those of you who like analogies, think of this as adding a sturdy lock to your front door instead of just closing it shut. Once you finish, make sure to click Set Password to save your changes. Now your entire Notion account, including any locked pages, is much more secure. So even if someone else gets access to your device or browser, your notes, tasks, or journal entries will stay private behind that password. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference, especially if you keep personal, academic, or work info in Notion. And that's it. That's how you lock a Notion page and protect your workspace with a password. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions at all or ran into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I try to respond to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.